my people, welcome back to venvenmusic and country life. Today I'm all excited because I'm harvesting and I will be enjoying one of my favorite fruits. Yes, that's the soursop fruit that some of you may call graviola. You have to learn of the benefits as well. It does great wonders for your body. Nice smell as well.
This is what the soursop blossom looks like.
If you have not yet joined the venvenmusic and country life family, take some time to click that subscription button below. Remember, click that bell that says all so you'll be notified when I upload the exciting country life videos. And remember, leave me a thumbs up and leave your comments below, and don't forget to share this video. Soursop fruit is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, hence why it's a big booster for your immune system. It's excellent for you pregnant women. Add it to your diet. Those who are struggling with asthma, soursop fruit is excellent for respiratory health. So you can add more of that in your diet and reap the benefits. It boosts energy levels, and from experience, it does work. It promotes healthy bones as well. It lowers your high cholesterol levels, and it is a cancer-fighting fruit. And from experience, it does work. It fights infections based on its high inflammatory properties. It helps to manage depression. Now, if you're struggling with depression, add more soursop to your diet. You better believe that it lowers high blood pressure levels. So if that's your struggle, you can add more soursop to your diet and you will see the benefit of that. If you're struggling with cramps, back pain, annoyances in your joints, rheumatism to be exact, yes, include more soursop. Yes, you can make it into a juice, or you can just have the fruit in its natural state, as I enjoy to do. Now, if you're fighting anemia, soursop can help you with that. So include more in your diet and definitely you'll receive more than one. It also promotes healthy skin, and that's one thing I love to bask in. Thank you for joining venvenmusic and country life today. Remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy.